Namaste, this is Dr. Karishma Ahuja. There are many times in our lives when we want to take a certain decision, but we are not sure if it is going to be the right one for us. There are times when we have to make certain choices, but we are not sure if the choice we are going to make is going to be the one that the divine would have chosen for us. We don't know if the decision or the choice we make or the action that we choose to take is going to turn out right for us. There are times when we are in this state of doubt, wishing that we could find a way out of this situation and we could come from a sense of clarity. If that is also something that is in your mind and you wish to know how we can connect with our own selves, our deeper, higher mind, in order to be able to receive the inspiration that could be the solution that we are looking for, then do this meditation along with me. In order to begin, I request you to take a comfortable position, the spine erect while the rest of the body relaxed. Remember to always wear comfortable clothing when you are sitting for meditation. Energy always travels up through the spine, and so being in a relaxed yet with a spine erect position allows us to focus and concentrate better into this practice. Let's start to take all our attention on our breath as we close our eyes. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly and relax. Continue breathing consciously for the next couple of minutes, breathing as slowly as you can. Keep a smile on your face. It will allow you to relax more and more as you are consciously breathing. Any thoughts coming to your mind at this point in time, just notice them. Take all your attention back to your breath. Keep your right palm on your stomach and feel the expansion and the contraction that is happening along with the breath coming in and going out. Breathing in, feel your stomach expand. Breathing out, feel your stomach contract. Inhale with a smile on your face. Exhale with a deep sense of relaxation. Let us now contemplate mentally on the words, going deeper as you inhale, more relaxed as you exhale, going deeper, more relaxed, going deeper, more relaxed, going deeper, more relaxed. One more time. Inhale, going deeper. Exhale with the thought, more relaxed. Let's take a deep breath now. Imagine that as you look into the region of your own forehead, the point in between your eyebrows that is referred to as the third eye, you are in fact looking into a beautiful, vast blue sky. This is the infinite sky of consciousness. As we place our attention on this beautiful, blue, infinite, divine sky of consciousness, let us think of a situation that we currently are unsure about. Any issue that you wish to seek more clarity for. Any choice or decision currently lingering in your mind that is causing you to go into a state of doubt. Allow that to come up into your mind. Let's now take a deep breath. As you continue imagining the visualization of this beautiful, vast, divine sky in your mind's eye, let us mentally repeat these words. As I meditate, my mind is now open to receive inspiration from the divine intelligence within me regarding this issue and situation in my mind. As I meditate, my mind is now open to receive inspiration from the divine intelligence within me regarding this issue and situation currently in my mind. I am ready to receive the answers that my spirit wishes to convey to me. I am now ready to receive the answers my spirit wishes to convey to me. I am now ready to receive the answers that my spirit now wishes to convey to me. Take another deep breath. I am grateful for the clarity I now receive regarding this situation. I am grateful for the clarity I now receive regarding this situation. I am grateful for the clarity that I now receive regarding this situation. Let's take another deep breath now. Continuing to keep our attention on the beautiful, vast, infinite divine sky. See if any answers regarding this situation or issue in your mind come up in the beautiful blue divine sky. The answers may appear to you in white letters across this beautiful blue sky. Continue looking at the sky. See if the answers are coming up. Continue breathing normally. The answers could come in the form of words. They could come in the form of pictures you see in this vast blue sky. Maybe you hear some sounds, some voices. Just be open to simply be a channel for receiving the inspiration that you need. Don't try to analyze the answers you are getting. Stay calm and just observe what is it that is coming up, either in this beautiful vast blue sky or even an inner knowing deep within your own consciousness. Usually, the very first thought, word, or feeling that you have got may be your answer. When you come out of this meditation, make sure you have written down any experiences you have received during this meditation practice. Keep a smile on your face now, and let's take another deep breath. Repeat with me the following words. Divine power and intelligence within me guides all my thoughts and actions. Divine power and intelligence within me guides all my thoughts and actions. Divine power and intelligence within me guides all my thoughts and actions. Another deep breath now. In order to help you come out of this meditation, I'm slowly going to count from 1 to 3. At the count of 3, you will rub your palms against each other, place them on your closed eyes, and then you will slowly open your eyes. Make sure you follow the instructions to come out of this meditation. 1. Coming out of this meditation slowly, feeling a sense of calmness, a sense of peace, 2. Feeling much better than before. Feeling a deep sense of connection with the intelligence within us. Ready to receive more and more inspiration as we go along with our day. 3. Let's rub our palms against each other. Gently, let's place them on our eyes with a smile on our face. Let us slowly open our eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. This is a very powerful meditation, seeking divine guidance and inspiration. However, you must remember, answers may come to you anytime during the day. It can come to you at any moment. So it's important that you continue to feel a sense of peace within you. Avoid anything that makes you go away from this state of peace, because when you are in peace, answers and clarity will come. I recommend you repeat this meditation daily for 7 days. And then simply continue to strive to live from the state of inspiration. Do not try to force the answers, because forcing them will make more and more of your energy active towards anxiety rather than peace. If you like this video, then share it with others. Subscribe to this channel. Lots more coming up. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.